Hey guys, it's Sissy of Sissy Spaces. Today we're making mini baked meatball sandwiches. If you enjoy all things of cooking, cleaning, decorating, decluttering, you're going to enjoy my channel. This recipe is one of my favorites. As you will see, I've doubled the recipe and I've made substitutions. Some of the substitutions are onions, mild Italian sausage, ground turkey, kosher salt, Italian seasoning, and Pepperidge Farm sliders. Give this recipe a try. I hope you love it as much as I do. Enjoy! Once you've gathered your ingredients, it's time to make the meatballs. I always start by removing the skin of the mild Italian sausage and blending it with the ground turkey. After you've lined your baking sheets, it's time to make the meatballs. Once you're done shaping your meatballs, place in the oven at 425 for 8 minutes. While your meatballs are cooking, make your butter topping. Once your meatballs are done, it's now time to add your marinara sauce and cheeses. I use 22 ounces of marinara sauce because I'm making 2 batches, and also use 2 different types of cheese, mozzarella cheese and Italian style cheese. Again, I'm doubling my recipe. Once completed, return to the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. As a substitution to the recipe, I make another batch of butter topping, but this time I add it to the center of my buns. As you can see, by doubling the recipe, I was able to make 28 meatballs, thus saving the remaining 4 for later. It's now time to add your butter topping, which consists of garlic powder and dried oregano. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you next week.